Okay, so we have some regular milk and some almond milk here. Now we're gonna be asking a question, which one do you think has more calcium?
I would assume regular milk.
Than the almond? So regular milk, it says, it doesn't tell me the exact amount, but it says 20% calcium in this. Now the almond milk has 35% of calcium and it says it's 470 milligrams. So it shows that the almond milk has more calcium. Now, the only thing that really changes in this, a lot of the calcium that is in this almond milk right here is fortified, so it's all added in. All of the calcium that's in this milk was already naturally produced from the cow. Now, not saying that really changes of how it's absorbed, but they do say the bioavailability of the milk is a little bit different. So it is absorbed, I think it's like 30 to 35%. Compared to this, which is
So which one would realistically be better for you?
If we're saying calorie wise and all over with the fat content, I would say, I mean, this probably has more nutrients than all. This is all added in. So if we're going really based off of that and just like fat wise, I would say probably the almond milk's a little bit better.
Okay.
Just with the amount of calories that you get from it and the amount of nutrients that you can get.
Okay, beautiful. Solid video.